All right, all right. Welcome everyone. One on the TikTok Spaces, all that good stuff. So, as always, I just gotta make sure we are actually good here. Hopefully, we won't have any problems. Yep, we're good. All right, everyone. So, as you already know, I'm keeping the streams short. Nothing crazy, nothing too wild. So yeah, let's uh, let's see what we can catch. And as always, if you guys want to know what I used for back testing, the brokers I use, all that good stuff, you can just look in the description down below, and I have a bunch of stuff down there. Just a bunch of goodies that you guys should definitely look at. So let's uh let's try hunting for a trade here. And yeah, I am trading gold too, by the way. Oh, dude, this would have been a good setup right here. Right here, that would have been. Ooh, man, I would. Man, look right here, right at 7 p.m. Taking that short. Man, oh man, what's going on, man? What's up? What's up? Oh man. Okay. Well, the only thing I could do is just wait for price to come up to this value area low, or near it at least. But I don't know. We'd have to wait and see. And this is the previous New York sessions volume profile here. I believe this is the indicator painting, and that's this indicator right here. Sessions volume profile. I think that comes in the trading view plan as well. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome. So if I could get a retracement up here, that'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Let's see. I'm assuming we're in our the daily open here. And you know what? I'll draw the weekly open as well. Okay, so that's the opening of the week right here. And then we have the daily right here. I would say we're probably going to come up near the value area low, near it, and then drop down to the weekly open. That is what I would first see, just because I'm assuming price wants to take out some liquidity. Let's do. I don't know if. See, we can do high slash low here. I don't see anything. Yeah. Anyways, let's see. And if there's something that you guys want me to cover on the streams, just let me know in the comment section below or in the chat. What I also actually want to try is the. Okay, so we have volume right there, right at that daily open, right at that value area high. Cool. So there's the power of three candle thing that I want to try from Lux Algo. I think it's this one. Yes. So let's try this here. Maybe I can get the week. Oh yeah. We don't need to show price labels. All right, so we have the opening of the week right here. I think, unless it wasn't able to give it to us. Yeah, that's fine. It's too much data. Maybe if I go up to like the 15-minute. Okay, yeah, because this is what's part of Sunday. Oh no, this is Monday. So yeah, the open here, and then we have the weekly going up right now. So I'm expecting the price to definitely hit that that weekly draw. Okay, so we're approaching that value area low. So I would say things are definitely lining up for a short position. So as soon as I see something, some kind of rejection, some kind of candlestick pattern movement, I would definitely try going for some lows. If not, then we would have to see some kind of market structure shift towards the upside, right? So if you guys want to know what strategy I'm trading, that's also found in the description below. So if you want to check that out, you can as well. Let's see. Nice to see all the people joining on TikTok, man. You get some real audience right there, man. I know I need to also have the previous. Well, we didn't have anything from there. Usually Mondays ain't the best day to trade either, but it's fine. PM. I think it was 4 p.m. to. I'm probably just gonna use these levels. This should be more than fine. Now, let's see here. Let me mark this as a breakup structure towards the downside here. We had a sweep up here. Right? And then price started breaking structure towards the downside. So, if you want, you can also use the volume order blocks, volume profile order blocks. So you can see we had some tight volume up here. Some nice big volume right up here in this area. So I can definitely see price tapping into one of these other nearby high volume areas, but it's all pointing towards the downside. I don't see any reason why I don't see why we would go up. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All the new people. Okay. So it looks like we're starting to get a bit of a shift here. We also have a fair value gap right here. A bearish fair value gap. So it's tapping right into the 50% of that fair value gap. So if this candle closes bearish, we could enter here. All right. And entering there. Now my stop, I will keep my stop. Let's see, how far high should I keep it? I'm probably going to keep it at the value area high. Or like around this high right here. And then target these lows. I'm not going to go more for than maybe a 1 or 2. Okay. Now we've had a couple W's in the past streams, so I wouldn't go too crazy if I didn't win this one. So I'd be fine. I'd be okay. Do. Remember, 1-to-1s are also good, guys. And I'm talking about this 1.01. Okay. Those are also good, but the reason why I'm going for a 1 to 1.2 is because it's looking pretty good. Okay, it's looking pretty good, in my humble opinion. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll definitely see how it plays out. Plus, we had the really strong bearish New York session. I'm trying to see where we would where you guys could have taken some trades here in the New York session. Let's see. Let's hide out the whole thing here. Wow. So, okay, so you guys wouldn't have had too much all the way up till like 7 o'clock. So yeah, 9:30 would have been the best time for you guys to start trading. And it looks like price are pulling down, or I guess you could say a Judas swing. All on the 1 minute too. Huh. We'll see, I guess. All right, so what else was I was gonna talk to you guys about something else that I was brewing in my mind. I just can't remember. But anyways, we'll what was it, man? I really wanted to talk to you guys about something. I had it in here. I forgot. Anyways, if you also want to learn how to trade volume profiles, I have that course, the entire course, in the description below. If you can't find it in the description, it's in my channel somewhere. You guys don't have to pay for anything, right? So you guys know it's all free. It's all free. Actually, you know what? Now we can also take a look at another asset that let's see. We could take a look at NAS and oil, but I will say this: trading NAS might be a little easier than trading oil. And then we have the daily open. I would say if you're gonna trade oil, you'd be looking for some buys right now. That is the daily open. Yeah. Okay. So this is my okay. So we're bullish. We were bullish most of the New York session, and now price is reacting pretty well off of the point of control here. We're up on the daily open. Price is just blowing past it, bro. It's literally blowing right through it. So the only thing that worries me though, because I have seen this happen, is that this is just going to be liquidity. Let's see. Do we have anything that's called possible liquidity? You know what? I'm going to make one actually. Possible liquidity. Ooh. Yeah. So I have seen where price will consolidate and then move upwards, or consolidate then move downward, right? And so, considering how bad it's moving right now to the side, I'm afraid that we might shift downward from the point of control to a volume area, to like a low volume node or something. So that's the only thing. But I would be looking for buys for sure when it comes to oil. And plus, we've been bullish. Everything broke past the value area high from the previous volume here, so I don't see any reason as to why we wouldn't go anywhere else. That is confusing. So let's just do that. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I don't know. We'd have to wait and see on this one, guys. We'd have to wait and see on this one. See how this one's going. Okay, well that's going pretty good. Yeah, I'm trying to see if we could catch anything here, but it's just consolidating pretty badly. I wouldn't. Let's see. Yeah, you're talking about like a 5-minute candle. So if I were to go here, that's a 5-minute high and a 5-minute low. So it's ranging inside a 5-minute candle. So this is not looking too good. Okay. Yeah, I'd be pretty skeptical of this one. We'll let that sit for now. Let's look at so if you're one of those futures traders, if you're a futures trader, let's see here. Ooh, strong rejection from the value area low. Beautiful. Downtrend, very strong, very strong. I mean, a good catch would have been here. A possible catch could be here. I don't know. I probably would have entered here. Maybe a stop loss at this high and then targeting this low. I wouldn't risk it too much because it's a little late. I would go for like a 1-to-1, right? So that would be around where I would have entered and just go for a straight 1-to-1. And then afterwards, if you feel comfortable, you could go for like a 1-to-2, right? But you wouldn't want to go anything higher than that. And as you can see, price is already rejecting pretty well off of that value area low. Let's see. Trying to see where other targets you could go for, but yeah. Normally, if I enter into a trade with in general, I don't like entering a trade in something else because that's just more work for me that I have to journal and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'd rather just keep it. And plus I like trading gold. Gold is much better for me. It's been treating me pretty good. But yeah, I will. How long has this been going for? 20 minutes. I'll give you guys another 10. You guys know that I'm not trying to stream for too long. I've noticed that the streams I've been catching on a little better the less long I stream. So, new soil here. How about some Bitcoin? Man, let's try to see if we can catch some on Bitcoin, dude. Ooh, his spreads are tight. Toit. Why is it so green? Oh, what do we got going on? Oh, because we're in a pitch fan. Oh. Man, it's been a while since I've used pitch fans. They're great, though. Don't get me wrong. Nine o'clock. It should be from. Oh, that's right. I calculated differently here. Okay, let's do this. 6. Although I'd be very careful trading with the volume profiles here because the data is a little different. But in theory, it should somewhat work. Let's see here. 9:30 a.m. to 4, I believe it's. There we go. So, ooh, I'm not liking this. So we were going low. Let's see something here. Volume profile. Let's draw this bad boy up. Yeah, so there's still a lot of volume in the upside. Then we still have an order block towards the downside that we could go towards. So the thing is, man, I'm getting mixed signals here. I'm not too sure about this one, man. I have too many conflicting thoughts on it. I mean, if I were to enter, it would be to go up to like an order block here or somewhere up here. But I wouldn't risk it. I wouldn't risk going anything further because there's so many conflicting signals. Like you have this value area low right here. So I wouldn't even want to mess with that. Plus, it's still Monday, so I don't know how much of a good idea that would be. Let's see Tesla. Let's check out Tesla. Oh, but now it's closed. The market's closed for these guys. Oh, but you could have caught some pretty good trades with this though. From 9:30 all the way down. That's not bad. 9:30. Let's see what the gold's looking like. Uh-oh. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, thankfully I didn't enter in this one. Alright. Yeah. I don't really like trading Mondays either, but just to test it out. I would not be surprised if I take an L here. I have to end my winning streak at some point. 7 days. One highlight post. That has to be fake. Foolie. Foolie. Are you Asian? Not trying to make fun of you or anything, but it's an interesting name. Foolie. Foolie. Okay, so let's see here. We're coming up to that daily open. So I don't know. I'd be very surprised if we start breaking structure towards the upside. Because if we do, then you could possibly try to enter another trade going bullish. But I would like to see break of structure towards the upside from a major swing point, and then a retracement, and then some bullish momentum to enter back up again. But if I'm not seeing that, I wouldn't take it. Oh. Please come home. Dang, son. I didn't have the freaking thing developing. Oh my god. Wait, so when I entered here, Oh, I didn't have it extended. Whoops. What a dummy. Dog, that would have changed my entry so much. Oh my gosh. Bro, I didn't have the extend right option on. I didn't have it on, dude. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm sorry for anyone that took that trade. Wow. And oh Lord. Oh, dude, my bad, man. Sorry, guys. That is on me. My bad, guys. Well, on the bright side, it looks like you could still enter a trade from this value area high and then target the point of control here. That actually is going to reduce my idea by a ton. I'm gonna, if I still get if the trade still decides to go in my favor, then I'm just going to keep it at a 1-to-1 because that was a bad move. If anything, I would have just entered into a sell from this position right here. Um, well, it is what it is now, right? Dang, that sucks. But seeing as it's reacting pretty well off of this order block, that's pretty cool. Right here, this supply zone. So not bad. Not bad. It looks like it might have swept. Yeah, I swept that little liquidity over there. So it looks like it's moving down pretty well. Ah, but dude, that sucks, man. I wish I would have noticed that. I thought I had it on. Man, my bad, y'all. My bad, gang. Makes me wonder about this one. Yep. Didn't have it on either. Oh, yeah. If you're trading this, I would be a little skeptical of entering here. Well, I wouldn't be too skeptical, but you're definitely near some serious lowage. So, yeah. Like I said, I thankfully I never entered on this one. I'm saying you can replay it. I said I would probably enter from there, but um, plus let's see a little bit of a higher time frame context here. Well, plus we're bearish, so it's not that big of a deal. But I'm pretty sure price is gonna retrace upward somewhere here, and then move down. As a matter of fact, you could enter right here, take a buy, and maybe hit some of those highs. But we do have a high volume note, somewhat of a high volume note. It's not too high, but somewhat high. But it looks like maybe price already reacted off of here. So even then, I wouldn't really bother trading this. Just too many conflicting signs. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, let me try some. Yeah, if we take this this L, we can just call it a night. Oh yeah, we took the L. Okay. So yeah, my bad guys. I freaking should have had my thing open, man. That's on me. That's on me. But anyways, it's about time we lost our winning streak here. But all in all, Let me see something. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could see a potential buy-in opportunity. Especially since we're going up here, yeah. But I'm not gonna enter again. Showing some discipline. So, anyways, I appreciate you guys pulling up. We will have another stream hopefully sometime soon. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, guys, take it easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.